Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to crochet with you a really nice hot pad or pot holder as you want. Really cute. I was enjoying crocheting it. For this one I was using 5mm crochet hook and a super nice yarn that I'm in love with, Bernard Maker Home Decor yarn. It is a perfect yarn for all crochet homemade projects. It it says it is a bulky yarn, but you can substitute it for any yarn you have. So worsted weight or just a simple wool yarn, uh, whatever you have really, especially if you have lots of leftovers. So you're welcome. Let's get started. I'm going to start with gray color. So let's start from the magic loop and make a chain 1. And now make 7 single crochet into the magic loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now pull the tail to close the center. Now into the first stitch make 2 single crochet. And one more into the same stitch, 2 single crochet. Now take the stitch marker and place it in the first stitch that you just done. Now it's time to add another color. In my case it is red one. So you always hold the gray yarn along the edge. Into the next stitch make also 2 single crochet. Here's another tail and try to hold them along the edge. Like this you will hide them at the same time. That's what we have. Now place the red yarn in front and pick up the gray yarn and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. One and 2. And that's what we have on the wrong side. Again, bring the gray yarn in front and pick up the red yarn, and into the next stitch make 2 single crochet again. Again, bring the red in front and pick up the gray one and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Bring in front and pick up red and again 2 single crochet. Again pick up gray color, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and the last stitch where you place the stitch marker, you can remove it now. Make 2 single crochet with red color. One and one more. And that's the first round. Now we are going to work in the same way. So that's the tail. You see, you can cut the yarn later, and this tail we can weave later at the end. Now pick up gray color, and we are going to make 1 single crochet here and 2 single crochet here. 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch 2 single crochet. So you always pull the red color inside the gray color and vice versa. Now pick up red color and make 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch 2 single crochet. Again, yarn in front, pick up gray color, 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch 2 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, one single crochet, 2 single crochet, and I forgot to place stitch marker, but it will be clearly visible where you see 3 gray stitches. It is already the beginning of the next round. 1, 2, then pick up gray again. 1, 2, and the last 1, 2. If you want, you can place stitch marker right now, but as I said, it will be visible. So next round we are going to make increases again. Make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then again 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch after. So this is beginning of the round, so let's place stitch marker here if it's still not clear. Pick up red color and repeat 1, 1, and then 2 single crochet, and again 1, 1, and then 2 single crochet. One, and then 2. I want to finish with you only this round, and after you're going make increases every time, adding one more stitch into the last stitch of each color. Again, gray color, 1, 1, 2, and we finish always with red color, 1, 1, and 2. So like this you go on. Now remove the stitch marker, go on making increases 1, 1, 1, and into the last stitch of the gray color 2 stitches. Go on making decreases and crocheting around until you reach desired size of hot pad. In my case it will be 10 stitches. Here I am, and that's what I have. Now at the end, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I don't finish the last stitch, 9, 10 here. And I want to show you if you want to make a hanger, so how you're going to do it. I'm not going to do it, but I will show you in case you want to hang it. So just make chain 5, 4, 5, 5, and make a slip stitch into the last stitch. That's it. That's how it will look. And then like this you can hang it. And now if you want to use it only as a hot pad, so what I'm doing, make one more single crochet into the last stitch, one, and the second one, do not finish it, just yarn over and pull the yarn. And when you make a yarn over, make it with a gray color. Now pull it, because I'm going to use this tail to connect beginning and the end. Now cut the red yarn, also cut the gray yarn, and now pull the yarn underneath the first stitch, like this, and now through the center of the last red stitch, but pay attention how I insert the hook. Pull the tail again through the center, and you see we have one more new stitch. It's like imitation. And now it's time weave in ends. For this you can use, and it's of course better to use and easier to use, a yarn needle. Thread the tail and pull it underneath. enough, and gray color. After that, you will need to wash the hot powder and dry on the flat surface, and if you want you can put something heavy even on it. That's how I am usually doing. No, wait. Here I'm using hook because the tail is too short. And the same here, this tail around these 8 stitches. So we are done. That's how it looks. As I said, don't forget to wash it and put something heavy on it just to make the edges lie flat. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope it was useful and you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video. Leave comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!